Hello everyone, my name is Pritham Kumar and I am the student of BTech in Gopal Narayan University, and today in this video I am going to talk about double linked list, and in double linked list I am going to talk about insertion program. At first we talk about the linked list, what is linked list, and then its type, and what is single linked list, what is double linked list, and also we talk about some program on double linked list. Okay, let's go to the our topic. The first slide is what is linked list. Linked list is the linear data structure in which elements are not stored at a continuous location rather than linked list using pointer. Linked list forms a series of connected nodes where each node store the data and address of the next nodes. What does it mean? It means that here in this picture we saw that this is the node and it has two parts. First part store data and second part store address of the next node. Okay, understand? So second node is also first part of node is store data just like we have to store int number. So it store first part of data store 2, 3, 4, or if you want to store character, then it will store A, B, C, and second part of the node store the address of the next node. Okay, now move to the next slide. Types of linked list. Mainly there are three types of linked list. Okay, single linked list, double linked list, and circular linked list. In this video, we are going to talk about double linked list. Let me change the color of the marker red. Okay. What is single linked list? In single linked list, each node contains a reference to the next node in the sequence. Traversing a single linked list is done in the forward direction, which means what does it mean? Single linked list. Single linked list means here in the picture we saw that it will only store data in the forward direction. That double linked list, we store data in the previous and also in the next node, but in single linked list we only store data for the forward direction. Okay, now move to the next slide. Double linked list. What is double linked list? In double linked list, each node contains reference to the both the next and the previous nodes. What does it mean? It means that here, see in the picture, this is the node. Okay, this is a node and this part is previous and this part is next. This part store the address of the previous node, and the next part of this node store the address of the next node. Okay, and the middle part that is written in data, it store what we want to the take the value, which means int value, float value, or character types. Okay, uh, this allow traversal in both directions, both forward and backward direction, but it require additional memory for the backward reference. So what does it mean? It means that it takes large size in the our computer location. Okay, now let's move to the next slide. What is circular linked list? Circular linked list. In circular linked list, the last node points back to the head node and creating a circular structure. It can either singly or double linked list. What does it mean? It means that the last node, see, read it again. The last node point back to the next node, to the head node. What does it mean? that is it is head node and it is the last node. Let's discuss. This is the first node, this is the second node, this is the third node. Okay, one let it this is the last node. Then the this part direction in the first part of the head. Okay, that is called circle linked list. Now move to the next slide. Insertion in double linked list, and here it is our topic: insertion in double linked list. How we insert data in the double linked list. Inserting a new node in a double linked list is very similar to the inserting new nodes in the linked list. It is similar to the linked list that we store data in the single linked list. There is a little extra work required to maintain the link of the previous node. Okay, a node can be inserted in a double linked list in the four ways. What does it mean? Once where where the data is inserted in a double linked list. So we insert the data at the beginning of the double linked list and between the two nodes at the end of the double linked list. Let's see with picture. Here it is the first node. This is the second node. This is the third node, and this is the fourth node and last node. Okay. So the first, second, first, second, first, second, first, and last. This node is connected with this node. This node is connected with this node. This node. Okay. So at the beginning, which means after that here we have to store the data at the at this node. Okay. And between two nodes here, in these two nodes we have to insert the data. Okay. And at the end of the double linked, which means we have to store data at this point. Now let move forward and add add a node at the beginning of the double linked list. Okay, how we add at the beginning of the linked list? Here is the steps that we have to follow for the insertion in the double linked list. First step: first allocate the new node, which means we have to make the new node and put required data in the new node, which means what type of data if you want to store. Let you have to store the int data type, float data type. So store the data in the first node. Okay. Make the next of the new node point to the current head of the double linked list, which means we have to create the two nodes and the head part uh, address to the next node. Okay. Make the previous of the current head point to the new node. Okay. Lastly, point head to the new node. Here is the program of the insertion of double linked list in the at the beginning. Okay. It is the header file. We have to create the structure. Okay. And here it is its variables in structure. Okay. So we have to insert in the double linked list. So we have to create the function for the insertion of double linked list. Here it is the function for the double linked list, and here it is the display function to display the stored data. Okay, so this is the program for the double linked list insertion, and here is the main function where the function is called. Okay, insert stat, insert. Here it is its pointer and its value, and display function is called here so that we have to display the data in at the output screen. So we have to Uh, so we have input the value this and this. So this is the output for the for for the program of above slide. Okay. So what you have to take? You have to execute this first. Try this program in your laptop and execute this. Okay. Now let's move. What is the next slide? Yeah. Add a node at the end of the double linked list. So this is the how we add a node at the end of the linked list. These are the steps. The first step is what? This here is the first step, like the previous one. We have to create a new node, and we have to put value in the new node and mark the next pointer of the new node as null. So let's this is the node, so we have to create this pointer as a null. Please be careful because null is always written in capital case letter. Okay. If the list is empty, make the new node as a head. Okay. If the list is empty, make new node as a head. Otherwise, travel to the end of the linked list. Now make the next pointer of the last node to the new node and change the previous pointer of new node to the last node of the list. Okay. Here is the program for the insertion of new node at the end of the double linked list. As we discussed above, this is the header file and this is the structure, and here it is variable structure variable, and it is the void insert function for the insertion at the last of the double linked list. Okay. And here it is the start function for the double linked list, and this is the display function for the display of the insertion of the node at the end of the double linked list. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to create this code, you have to write this code in your laptop and execute at least at one time. So please write this code and execute at once. Main function, here it is, display function is called, so that you have to see your output on your computer or laptop display. So here it is forward direction, output will be 20, 16, 10, 14, 18. This is the value you have to uh, input with your own, and this is the backward direction output 11, 18, 10, 12, 16, 20. Okay. Thank you. That's all for today video. I hope you you will learn something from this video, and if you like this video, if you found this video helpful, please share with your friends and in your groups so that they can also learn from this video. uh, Please like and subscribe my channel, and here is the books from the I have to reference you that you have must read Rimat Tereja books so that you can make your concept better. Okay. Thank you.